Hello everyone, my name is Deborah Cumberledge and I'm the Youth Outreach Specialist for the Adams County Public Library. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are talking all about penguins today. Do you like penguins? I love penguins. I think they're so cute. And our story today is actually a retelling of the classic fairy tale, The Emperor's New Clothes. And the story is told from a penguin's point of view. So let's go ahead and we'll get started, okay? This book is called The Emperor Penguin's New Clothes. And it was written by Charlotte Guillain and illustrated by Dawn Beacon. The Emperor Penguin's New Clothes. There was once a snowy land that was ruled by Emperor Penguin. Every morning he would stand on a hill to look down at all the other penguins and feel very important. One day, Emperor Penguin was watching all the other penguins on the ice when Killer Whale popped up out of the sea and looked at him. "You look very important," said Killer Whale. "Oh, I am," said Emperor Penguin suitably. "I am the emperor of all penguins. I am much more special than all these other penguins." Killer Whale looked around and sighed. "Oh, it's a shame. You look just the same as all these other penguins," he said. "Someone as important as you should surely look different from everyone else." Emperor Penguin was shocked. "You're right," he said. "Everyone should see that I am more special than other penguins." "I will help you," said Killer Whale. "Bring me 1,000 fish and I will make you look special." Will you really help him look special? Let's see. So Emperor Penguin made his servants catch 1,000 fish and take them to Killer Whale. Then Killer Whale gobbled up the fish and he looked at the emperor. "This is what you need to do," he whispered in Emperor Penguin's ear. The next morning, all the penguins woke up and went about their business. As usual, Emperor Penguin took his place standing on the hill looking down on everyone. Your Majesty," said a nervous servant, "you've forgotten to put on your clothes." "Ha!" scoffed Emperor Penguin. "You fool! I'm wearing a special suit that Killer Whale gave me. He told me that it would be invisible to foolish, ordinary penguins." A small penguin chick shouted, "Look at that silly penguin! He's forgotten to put on his clothes!" All the other penguins laughed, and Emperor Penguin realized how foolish he had been. From that day on, he wore warm clothes like the other penguins, and he never listened to Killer Whale again. The end. I hope you enjoyed that story. Now we're going to sing a song about a penguin, and we're going to sing it to the tune of "I'm a Little Teapot," and this song is called "I'm a Little Penguin." All right, so I'll go slow and you just join along with me, and we'll sing it through twice, okay? So, I'm a little penguin in the sea. I can swim as fast as can be. And when I catch a fish, just look at me. I'm as proud can be. Great job, guys. One more time. I'm a little penguin. I'm a little penguin in the sea. I can swim as fast as can be, and when I catch a fish, just look at me. I'm as proud can be. Great job, guys. Awesome. There's going to be a couple links for some things you can do at home. One link is for a craft that you can make. You can make a cotton ball penguin. He's awfully cute, so have fun with that. And there's also a science experiment you can do at home with salt and ice. All right, so please enjoy those activities, okay? Stay safe and stay healthy, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye.